I want to talk a little bit about people who have trouble sleeping.
Okay.
This is a problem that many people face, and there are so many reasons because it has to do with our mental health. It
Mm-hmm.
may have something to do with our physical bodies. How do you
Mm-hmm.
help somebody who is coming for acupuncture and needs to sleep better?
So if acupuncture, we usually pick up some point on like the heart meridian.
A hot meridian.
Heart meridian, yes.
Explain what that is.
Spring, okay, spring will be second tier. So usually heart in the ancient time, there's a sentence talking about when you oh, sorry, I say the opposite. Okay, so will be spleen deficiency first, may cause your sleeping disorder. They believe when your digestion is not great, eventually it cause your sleeping have some problem. And I do see in the clinic or in SEYHART, a lot of clients when I intake them, because we check their pulse and then we see their tone, we ask them the question, we um we collect the question from the patient, right? And you interesting thing you find almost like a 70% their digestion is they have digestion is in the same time they have spleen problem.
Ah, so
Yeah.
digestion, spleen, and then it affects how they
In the
sleep.
heart. Yeah, the sleep. And usually in Chinese medicine, we think that relate to the heart organ system imbalance or heart chi, heart blood deficiency cause cause you insomnia.
Wow. So and why so let me just make sure I understand. So if you have, did you say heart deficiency or hot
Uh,
deficiency?
heart, the
The organ.
HPLT heart
Yes.
organ. So heart chi or heart blood deficiency.
You mentioned spleen is the number one
Yes,
channel. Tell
maybe
us.
so
Yeah.
maybe start from the spring chi
Yes.
first. So let me maybe start from this person have digestion issue. Okay. And then the person she or he didn't fix his or her digestion.
Yes.
While bloated abdominal or regular frequently diarrhea or like frequently constipation.
Yes.
And then eventually she or he start to notice she's sleeping kind of not great.
Yes.
Even she probably have trouble fall asleep.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that means the root is from the digestion and cause this person has like a spleen disorder.
Okay. And can you tell us about heart deficiency? I've not heard a lot about the heart organ in
Okay.
Chinese medicine.
So heart chi deficiency or heart blood deficiency. So heart in Chinese medicine theory, it's govern the we say the blood vessel. Yeah, and also heart it's govern our mindset, mindful.
I see.
So if heart chi is weakness or not enough, so maybe this person the heart is not maybe have insomnia or like well thinking a lot. And
Yes.
because insomnia you didn't sleeping well or rest well, eventually you cause you have something foggy head happen.
Yes.
And in the same time you think the same thing. This is the interesting part. You remember I just mentioned the heart govern the blood vessel, right? It's
Yes.
similar like a Western medicine anatomy, the blood. If um uh the red cell is not enough, we call the anemia, right?
Yes.
So in the heart blood is not enough, you probably feel tired, you don't have too much energy, and your face will pale.
I see.
fatigued. Yeah.
So when you diagnose heart blood
Mhm.
deficiency, you diagnose that perhaps with just appearance. You can tell a person
Uh,
might have pallor,
we will probably ask them, and another thing we check from the pulse.
the
So the
pulse. Yes.
pulse have a different shape and the different rhythm, the different. So from the practitioner, maybe feel the heart part is more compared other side is more deeper and weak
I see. I
to
see.
get the diagnosis and combine the tone diagnosis.
And what do you see in the tongue when there's heart
Oh, it's
deficiency?
interesting. Heart blood deficiency usually 70% you will see this person, the tip of the tongue is red tip.
Ah,
Hmm.
okay.
And also because okay, this is a blood deficiency where like I last time I kind of mentioned blood deficiency will cause you feel dryness in your body
Yes,
and, and have a heat in your body. So this person probably will feel like thirsty.
I see.
Usually you can ask the person and they always say, yeah, combined with thirsty symptom all the time.
So thirsty,
Mhm.
maybe fatigue.
Fatigue and then insomnia or sleeping disorder. Yeah, or sometimes hard to focusing or forget the memory is lost. Memory is not great. It's connected to the heart organ system too.
And how do you help that with acupuncture or other modalities?
Okay, so majority, there's a 4 point on the top of the head. We call the 四神冲. 四神冲 is translated in English. That means it's like a 4 smart point on top of the head. Okay, so that 4 point can help you make your brain more clear.
Interesting.
Past the do 20. Okay, the do 20 usually it's kind of settle down the whole treatment or increasing the whole body chi in the last part. So this 5 point on top of the head is great for calm your mind and then make you calmer and then in the center help you more focusing concentration.
And when in clients that you do this type of treatment
Mhm.
for, what are the effects? Or how long does it take to notice the benefit?
So usually the first treatment, the night, okay, they feel calmer and they sleep deeply.
Mm,
That's their body can directly feel the result right away. Yeah.
wow.
But but if you don't come regular, just come one time treatment, then after 3 days, you probably your insomnia or your sleeping disorder maybe come back.
I see.
It's kind of you need to a little bit frequently stimulate your nervous system to make your body system awaken all the time.
And so how, after a person does many treatments of this method,
Mhm.
how does one recover from this so they don't need to rely on having acupuncture to be focused? How does that transition or recovery work?
So I feel this is really individual body responding. Some people probably after a month's treatment 4 times once a week,
Yes.
and then they feel that they get a very effective result. And then I think we will recommend them come just every other week for another month. And then they can fall asleep, whatever they can fall asleep easier or when they sleeping the whole night straight deeply
Yes.
or waking up they feel really fresh.
Mm,
Yeah, refresh. Yeah, and then we can recommend come just once a month for maintenance.
I
But
see.
I mean, I feel the best benefits still need to kind of come all the time, like once a month at least for maintenance,
Yes. Yeah.
because your body every day is changing. It's relate to your body environment, how affect your mind,
Yes.
deal with different condition in our life.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I like how you point out that it's important to start off very consistent to help,
yes,
reset the body, so to
yeah.
speak. So it becomes used to this.
Mhm.
And then see how it goes depending on your situation. Wonderful. Well, I like that very much. I like that approach.
Yes. Maybe you can of course sometimes we will tell client take let the client take a little break, right? But their body can tell themselves, oh, after like a 3 months break and everything was fine, but because your life have a lot of things you need to deal with from family, relationships, from your work, or from your kids, from your social life. So those things all like in transmission with kind of one type of stress will affect make your body system become disharmony eventually. Whatever. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Your body
Everything
will
else.
feel like an illness. This part is not right. And you will think, oh, I need to go back to get a
Yeah.
treatment again.
Well, thank you for that explanation.